Hi, my name is Jamie. I'm with the Mesa Palms Church, and I invite you to join me for a free seminar series called Simply Amazing Health. The series starts on Saturday, November 16th at 1:30 p.m. You won't want to miss this. The seminar is based on biblical principles and scientific research and provides the message of health and healing that we all need to hear. The address to come to is 6263 East Thomas Road, Mesa, Arizona. The seminar will continue on November 23rd and the 30th. Come early on the 30th. Our program will begin with a free, delicious, and healthy Thanksgiving meal that will be served at 12:30 and the seminar to follow at 1:30. Please invite a friend to come with you. I look forward to seeing you there.